Here are short details of the General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon Down Finger. Small airplane. General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon. Type: multirole fighter jet. Manufacturer: General Dynamics, now Lockheed Martin. Origin: United States. First flight: the 20th of January 1974. Introduced: 1978. Crew: 1 single seat or 2 twin seat. Engine: 1 times Pratt & Whitney F100 or GE F110 turbofan. Speed: Mach 2 approximately equals 2,120 km per hour. Range: 4,200 km with drop tanks. Service ceiling: 50,000 feet, 15,240 meters. Armament: 20 mm M61 Vulcan cannon, missiles, and bombs. Users: USA, Pakistan, Israel, Turkey, UAE, and others. Feature: highly maneuverable, fly-by-wire control, all-weather capability. Please like my channel and subscribe.